Bonjour. Welcome to the Instant Chapter 2.2 Grammar Review. We have 3 topics in Chapter 2.2. One is how you express to, in, or at the. I'm going to the mall. I am in the pool. I am at the park. The next topic, I think I might roll over to this side, are yes-no questions. And then that will lead us really nicely into the expression est-ce que, because that's also a way to ask questions. So let's start off with to, in, or at the. And if you recall, we've already learned how to do the, right? And the is le. That's not a very friendly marker. Let me try that again. Le, oh, much better. La and les. And so when we think in terms of le parc, that's the park. But if we wanted to say I'm going to the park, that le contracts and makes a totally different word. And you say au parc. If we have la piscine, the pool, that's feminine. And if we wanted to say to the pool, then all we do is add an a. And there you have it, à la piscine. If you have les magasins, the stores, that's a plural location. And if you wanted to say to the stores, we again have a little contraction that magically happens. And so that turns into O. And then finally, if we had a place like école, which starts with a vowel, typically we'd say l'école. If we wanted to say to the school, then that's really nice and easy because we just say à l'école. Au, masculin. À la, féminin. Au, pluriel. And then we have a vowel start here. Vowel start. All right, over to yes-no questions. We have really 3 ways to ask yes-no questions. The first way is just by scooping our voice. So if we said something like il est beau, he's good looking. If I scooped my voice and I said il est beau, then that becomes a question. A nice easy way to ask a question. The second way to ask a question, when you're pretty sure you know the answer, is you tag on that n'est-ce pas on the end. N'est-ce pas? And that's like, right? Like you brush your teeth, right? You did your homework, right? And then the final one is right here. And this is how we transform a really basic sentence into a question using the est-ce que. And let's check that out right now. We'll move down here. We really know these parts. There's the être, il and elle form. Ce, we know that if we flip that, we get that little c'est. And so if we tag this in front of a statement like je joue, and if we said est-ce que je joue, then that becomes am I playing? Or do I play? If you had nous mangeons, we eat, then if I tag an est-ce que on the front of it, then I've magically turned it into a question, and that's are we eating? Or do we eat, depending on the context. And then finally, if I have a vowel starter, like il nage, he swims, then I'm going to add an est-ce que to the front, and because of that vowel start, I put a little apostrophe here. Est-ce qu'il nage? And that becomes, is he swimming? Or does he swim? That's est-ce que, the formal way to ask a question. And that is your chapter 2.2 instant review. Fini.